Have you tried the new self-issue kiosks in Wirral Libraries? You can return and borrow books, manage your account and even release your printing from our computers. Borrowing books is simple. Tap Borrow on the screen and scan your library card under the red line, making sure the barcode is facing up. Once your account is loaded, place the books onto the scan bed. There's no need to do them individually, you can put all your books in at once. If they have issued successfully, they will be highlighted on the screen in green with a tick next to them. Tap Finish, choose whether you want a receipt or not, and you're done. Any items that do not appear on the list or which are marked in red with a cross next to them should be taken to the desk, where a member of staff can help you with them. To return books, tap Return on the screen and place your books onto the scan bed. As before, successfully returned items will be highlighted in green. The kiosk will direct you to place the books either on the returns trolley or in the book bin below the scan bed. When you have done this, tap Finished and select whether you want a receipt. You can also see what's on your ticket. To do this, tap Account and scan your library card. You will see a list of the items you have out, and you can select them and tap Renew to reissue them. You can also access this screen by tapping Renew at the start. In the account view, you can also check the status of your reservations. Any that are waiting at the counter will show as being available. Additionally, you can pay any charges that are on your ticket. Just tap on Charges and choose between paying in cash or with a card. If you've sent something to print from one of our computers, you can release and pay for it on the kiosks. Tap Print Payment, scan your library card and enter your PIN. Tap Printing at the bottom of the screen and you will see a list of everything you've sent to print. Select all the items you want and tap Add to put them in your basket. Once you've added everything you want, tap Basket to see the items that will print. You can see the price at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Pay. You can choose to pay by cash or by card, but the kiosk will only accept card payments over 50 pence.